Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile language on Netflix. To change your profile's language on Netflix, first of all, open up a web browser. Type in netflix.com in the URL box and search. After you sign into your Netflix account, go ahead and mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right corner and then click on Manage Profiles. Inside Manage Profiles, select your profile that you want to change the language on and click on the little pencil icon in it. Now under Edit Profile, click on the Language drop-down and select the language of your preference from the list. Soon after you do that, scroll all the way down and click on Save to save your changes. And right after you do that, you will be able to change your language on your profile on Netflix. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.